Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to create summary on a website. So Samsung's AI integration allows you to highlight a website and generate a quick summary instantly. So instead of reading a long article, you can get to the main points summarized using AI directly on your device. So here in the example, we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Internet browser and we'll go ahead and search for LASIK eye surgery. So I'm quite interested in this surgery and I want to know more about it. So I can go ahead and scroll down, find a website which is basically giving me all the information for it. So let's just say, for example, the NHS. Tap on this. Now here, this is giving me a long article where I need to basically read. However, I'm really lazy and I don't want to read all these long articles. I want to go ahead and ask AI to summarize this for me. So I'll go ahead and use this Samsung AI. So here I'll go ahead and use the Galaxy AI button, which is right here. This will only appear on Samsung Internet browser. So I'll go ahead and tap on this. Now here I can go ahead and choose these three different options. First one is your summarize, second is translate, third is to read highlights aloud. So since I want to go ahead and get a summary of this website, I'll go ahead and tap on summarize. This will now basically read through the website and will give me a summary of the website itself. So I can go ahead and read all of these main points and figure out what laser eye and lens surgery is all about. So this is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone short on time. So whether you're researching, studying, or just catching up on news, AI summaries saves you time and mental energy by pulling out the key insights without missing out any important information. So there you go, guys. That is how to use AI to create summary on a website using your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.